Shri Syed Nasir Hussain.
Thank thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm here. I'm here not to speak about why the pollution is there. Others before me have mentioned why these levels of pollution, what are the reasons for pollution and all those things. So let me just appeal to the union government on the different state governments that they treat this issue with priority, they treat with issue with urgency and see to it that different laws are implemented. So I would just like to mention here that the central government should have taken the issue of this the issue of the farmers in Haryana and Punjab, the way they are the way they are burning their crop, which has been raised by several members of this house. Had it been taken seriously, probably a certain level of pollution would have decreased in Delhi and the nearby areas. And further, there have been advices by the government, by the officials, that people should stay indoors instead of going out and inhaling outside. I think that is not the solution. What is more important here is how do we reduce pollution? How do we see that the people of the different states get clean air? But some of them have also advised that mask and air purifiers should be used. मैं यहाँ पे बताना चाहूँगा कि बहुत सारे गरीब लोगों को और होमलेस लोगों को ये एयर प्यूरिफायर्स और मास्क खरीद भी नहीं सकते, उनके लिए इजीली अवेलेबल भी नहीं है। 15 नवंबर 2019 को, इसी महीने के 15 तारीख को लोकसभा सेक्रेटरीट की अर्बन डेवलपमेंट की कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई गई थी। इस हाउस को शायद बताने की जरूरत है कि इसमें 29 एमपीज में सिर्फ 4 एमपीज अटेंड किए थे। यहाँ तक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट और फॉरेस्ट के जो ऑफिशियल्स थे वो तक उसको अटेंड नहीं किए। ये पेपर्स में लिखा गया है। तो इससे सीरियसनेस सरकार का बताता है कि कितना सरकार सीरियस है इस इशू के ऊपर। उसके एक सदस्य जो हमारे दिल्ली के एमपी भी हैं, वो शायद उस मीटिंग में रहने के बजाय वो वहाँ पे इंदौर में या कहीं कमेंट्री बोल रहे थे और उनकी फोटो आई थी जिलेबी खाते हुए। दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ सीरियसनेस। 2016 में सरकार की तरफ से ग्रेप इंस्टीट्यूट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया गया, ग्रेडेड रिस्पॉन्स एक्शन प्लान करके 2016 में। वो प्रोएक्टिव होने के बजाय इट वेट्स टिल द हजार्डस लेवल ऑफ पोल्यूशन आर रीच ओनली देन इट एक्ट्स, and there is no system to see that the directives of this body are executed by the local bodies. I think the house should know, before this body was instituted, the AQI level for Delhi was 300, and now and everyone knows what is the level. And also the lax implementation of the emission standards that is there, that has not been followed, and there is laxity in it, which I think the minister who is sitting here should consider it. 2015 में क्लाइमेट चेंज के गाइडलाइंस दिए गए, जिसमें थर्मल प्लांट्स को अपना एमिशंस रिड्यूस करने के लिए, फिर उसके बाद 2 साल के बाद और 5 साल के लिए बढ़ाए गए। अगर इसको देखा जाए तो अभी तक 10 कोल बेस्ड पावर यूनिट्स नियर दिल्ली आर अनलाइकली टू मीट दिस शेड्यूल। 267 यूनिट्स which were supposed to comply by December 2019, उसमें 224 units are yet to install flue gas desulfurization unit. See, if you look at these things, the Ministry of Environment and Forest has become a clearing agency rather than preserving, conserving and conservation. Climate change has not been mentioned in any of the budget from 2015-16 till now. In any of the budgets, there is no mention of climate change at all. And the National Clean Air Program is only for 102 cities, while 50% of the cities which have pollution problem have not been mentioned in this. So these are certain things which shows clearly that the government at the central level is not taking this issue seriously or not treating it with urgency. If you look at the various states that have tried to treat this, that have tried to address this problem seriously, I think some of the state governments are more serious than the union government. The union government should take this issue a little more seriously. At least the Ministry of Environment and Forest should step in and see that the pollution levels across the country is reduced.